Hi YouTubers, welcome to this video. This is the jewellery box part 2, and I've been varnishing the lid. So 3 coats of varnish, this is the final coat, and 3 coats of yacht varnish. I use yacht varnish because one is it's chemical and resistant to water and cracking and peeling, and plus it's quite one of the reasonable priced yacht varnishes that does a good job. And I'm going to be cutting some felt to go in the holes, and then I'm waiting for the hinges, but the hinges are coming from China and it's going to be 6 weeks before I get them, so a bit disappointed, and they're quite low cost. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up to one of the craft shops and see if they've got some small hinges for sale up there, and get some little stick-on feet. I'm not going to put felt on the bottom, on the outside. I'm just going to put 4 see-through stick-on feet. Jane's been working on a wood spirit, which is also sitting here. There it is. She's been making that. Yeah, it's not took long to make that. It's flat backed. You know, it's there's no back to it as such, but so you can hang it on the wall or whatever. And I've been varnished the back for her while I was doing the varnishing of mine. It just makes sense to do it all in one go. Rain stopped play outside, so I'm just doing jobs, household jobs now, until 1, the varnish goes off, and 2, it stops raining. Well, I was lucky today. I had the chance to go out, and there was an art shop, so I was able to purchase a couple of these small antique looking hinges, and also some little wooden feet for this project. And what so I fitted the hinge, and now I've got to cut out some felt to go in the bottom. And the simplest way I found to do it was, the other scrap pieces of wood are the same diameter there as there. So I put it on the felt, draw a circle, and then cut it out with a pair of good scissors. And these are the felt pads I've got. And I'm going to put them in the bottom, and then what I shall also do is line it round the sides as well. Okay, cut the felt using Yoo-hoo glue to stick it in, or any contact adhesive. Just turn it round. There's the hinges. Hopefully you can see that. Brass, antique looking hinges, and yes, they are screws. And open the lid, and then we have, it's not coming out very well, but there's the green felt in there, which is this sheet here. It's not coming out very green on this camera, but yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.